Hi there, students. Credible, an adjective. Credibility, the noun. Okay, if something is credible, it can be believed, it can be trusted. So, you haven't given me any credible evidence that I'm wrong. The story that you've told me is barely credible. It's almost incredible. It's almost impossible to believe. Okay? So, credible, plausible, reasonable, likely. Yeah? One of the problems with resolving global warming is we need credible alternatives that will meet our needs without creating global warming. In a trial, a witness could be a credible witness, somebody that you could believe. If we're going to win this political election, we need a credible candidate. Okay, we need to be credible. We need to have a credible candidate, a credible alternative to the opposition. Okay, he told a credible account. It's believable, but I don't know if it's true. It's certainly plausible. Yeah, it's credible. You can believe it, but who knows? Okay, yes, a credible commitment, credible evidence. Okay, so if something is credible, you are able to trust it. It's able to be believed. Many people think that his arguments are credible, but personally, I don't believe them at all. Yeah. Okay, so something needs credibility. Credibility is the fact that somebody can be trusted, somebody can be believed. So if something has credibility, it's believable. Yeah. The story does not have credibility. It's not possible to believe it. The student's excuse lacked credibility. It just wasn't possible for me to believe it. It wasn't believable. It didn't sound authentic. It wasn't plausible. Yeah. Okay, so credible. If you're credible, people can believe you. Yeah, you need a credible excuse, a credible alibi, because if not, people are not going to believe you. This is a credible source of information. Yeah, somebody who is an expert is a credible source of information. It's dependable, reliable, because they know what they're talking about. An actor, if they're playing a part, they need to be convincing, they need to be authentic, they need to produce credible acting. Yeah, the acting needs to be credible. You could also have street credibility, that the people on the street, or the people, your friends, think you're cool. Yeah. Okay, so credible. Something that's believable, a credible explanation, a credible claim. Yeah, a credible solution. Something that it offers reasonable grounds to be believed. This is credible evidence, a credible witness, a credible source of information. Yeah, a credible account of what happened. A credible threat. Yeah, something that's credible is good enough to be effective. A credible imitation of a nightingale. Yeah, a credible deterrent, sufficiently capable. Okay, so credible. credibility. A credibility gap is the gap between the reality that's needed and what people believe you are capable of. Okay, let's see. Formality, credibility. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality, maybe a 6. I think you might just use it informally. Use it definitely in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, it comes from Latin, credibilis, worthy of belief, credo, to believe. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Credibility.